Udukot ka ying dorbar thau an Lok Sabha ubami kmat ya ka Shillong Parliamentary Constituency u Dr. W.R. Kharluki mintakasngi ulay thuo bakasing sanhima sima National People's Party kanya khun ha ka jingjit nong mikmat chiteng samoy hadin baka election commission kalapin bana ya ka jingpenlong ya kitay ki election. Dr. Kharluki ulay thuo baka NPP kan penyeng kertong na kabenta ka Maurin Keneng bat Raja Bala constituency. Henry Hakbayade bat Kamau Plang constituency kaseng kansa shimya karai hadin katu kat Nipor.
We have already decided in the morning, but today I just need to confirm from our national president. No? We have decided for Rajabala it should be Abdul Saleh, and for Maurin Keneng is Paniai. Kamau Plang we still keep it pending for a few days. We have it. You just wait. Have some patience. Yes. We will contest on all the three. I'm 100% confident winning. Every fight I took, I'm always confident of winning. The more your opponent is strong, the more the fight is interesting. So we like our opponent to be strong. We will see. 30th is the voting day, and second is the result. So let's see whether he is right or wrong. It's easy to pinpoint on government, and I think in the last session. CM has really given him a befitting reply. So, let's see.